Okay, so here's our trainer. I'll just fit the camera to the side of my glasses. There we go. Put my glasses on my head. Drop the camera. Try again. There we go. Right, check radio's on. Radio's on. Throttle. Open up the throttle. Choke the engine. About 4 turns. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back down to about half throttle. Connect the glow igniter. I'm going to use a kickback starter mode. So I'm going to flick the engine backwards and it should fire up. There we go. Again.
Did you refuel it?
Yeah, I refueled it. Alright, I'm going to give it another choke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back down to half. Igniter back on. Come on. Glasses are slipping off. More fuel. Try 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down to halfway. Glow igniter back on. Seized up then. Come on.